Whenever we work on... Hi, baby. Can I film? No? Dog cuddle time? Can you sit? Good job. Good job. Oh, someone is tired. You want to stay? Or you want to lie down and sleep a little bit, huh? This is good. You like this? Oh, look at this. Someone is enjoying. Oh. Yeah? Okay. But I need to film, I know. Can I film one video? Maybe 2? Maybe 3? Yeah? My baby mouse. I know. How can I work like this, huh? Okay. I mean, you can stay. But maybe you can move one further? No? Okay. I'll just move the camera then. Stay where you are.